I make over $50 per minute every single day from the comfort of my own home. Doesn't that sound incredible? Well, what if I told you that you could make this much money, too? All you have to do is learn one simple trick that you can use over and over to make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your own home. Want to know what the trick is? Well, it's type 8, which I'm sure everyone here is familiar with. I mean, even 3-year-olds can type these days. You don't even need to be good at typing, which is great for beginners who want to start making money online. This method is also 100% free and works worldwide, so you don't have to worry about anything. In fact, I'll even give you a bonus website that you can use to double your income with this method right now. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Money Increase, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd like you to go to this website right now, which is called typingtest.com. Now this website basically allows you to test how good you are at typing. Don't worry, the tests they have on this website is actually quite simple and only takes 60 seconds. Now down here you can see 2 drop-down boxes that you can select from. The first box determines how long the test you take will be. And the second box shows you what your test will be. Now, because you want to take the standardized test, go ahead and select the 1-minute test option as well as the medium text option. Once you're down, click on this button right here and you'll be taken to the test page. What you'll do here is type the words that you see on your screen as quickly and accurately as possible. Don't try to rush it, because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low. Just try your hardest and the timer will begin once you type the first letter. I won't bore you with a minute of me typing the test. So let's move on to the next part of this video. Once you finish the test, you will receive your results, which will look something like this. They will give you your typing speed and accuracy, and you will multiply those two values to get your net typing speed. Now you want to make a mental note of this figure, since it will influence how much money you can make with the strategy right now. If you're not happy with their typing speed, you can click on the left-hand option that reads Typing Courses. Now, as you can see right here, you can double your typing speed by taking this course. So even if you're happy with their typing speed, I would still recommend that you take this course because you could potentially double the amount of money you earn once you've completed the typing course. Take the typing test again to see if your typing speed has improved. There's a good chance it has. So once again, I want you guys to take note of your net typing speed and head on over to the website that will be paying you for typing. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you've loved the video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Rev is the website that I'm referring to and you can find it here. Rev is a website where freelancers can sign up to be transcribers. For those of you who aren't familiar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words that you hear in videos. Don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is watch a video and type all of the words that you hear, as you can see right here. You can choose from 3 options: transcription, English captions and foreign subtitles. Now the amount of money you'll make depends on which option you choose. If you chose transcription, you'll earn $1.25 per minute and will only be doing basic transcriptions. The same goes for the English captions option, where you'll earn $1.25 per minute but will instead be captioning videos. Now for the third option, it will be the one that pays us the most at $3 to $7 per minute. But it will also be the most difficult because you'll be translating the audio from a foreign language. So this is not for everyone. Now, if you think this website isn't legit, don't worry, because as you can see below, it is trusted by over 170,000 customers across all industries. Some of these customers are actually major companies like Viacom, CBS, PBS's and TKM, which means it's completely legitimate because major companies like these would never support a scam. So just scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button right here that says Become a Freelancer, which will take you to another web page where you can sign up for an absolutely free account. As you can see, all you have to do is fill in your first and last names as well as your email address and a password. Now the company section is optional, so you can just leave it blank. Make sure to uncheck this first box so you won't receive any marketing emails and check the second box to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. After that, you can just go ahead and click the Create Account button right here. After that, you'll have your entirely free account and begin transcribing. However, because a large number of freelancers have already signed up on Reverend, you won't always be able to get work here. I'll show you a second website that has fewer freelancers, which means you'll be able to get more jobs. The second web that I'll show you today is TranscribeMe and transcribedme.com, which is another transcription website where people can have other people transcribe their videos. However, you won't be the one doing the transcription. Instead, you'll want to create an account. As you can see, you will have the opportunity to advance professionally, choose your own hours and work location, meet new people from all over the world, and most importantly, make money every week. Everyone begins with transcription, but as they gain experience, other positions will become available to you. Below is the form where you can sign up for a free account. But let's concentrate on this section on the right first. This is a fantastic feature of this website because it eliminates the need for you to actively seek work because the jobs will be delivered to you by this website, directly transcribed wherever and anywhere you want. There are no specific work hours on here and you are not obliged to stay at a desk. You can transcribe in your yard, at the beach, or even at a school if you are still a student. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by your workload, take a step back and relax. Relax and return to work when you're ready. Transcribe brief 2 to 4 minute clips, not extended interviews. Unlike Rivka, which sends you whole videos, this website only gives you short bits so you won't be overwhelmed by the transcribing procedure. This website has a lot of advantages, so let's sign up for a free account. First, enter your basic information like first name, last name, then your email and then establish a password and then confirm your password. Following that, you should submit your PayPal email address, which is wonderful since you will be paid by PayPal, which I know most of you visitors appreciate. After that, add your gender and employment status that include your transcription experience. Finally, you can choose your language and as you can see right here, there are a lot of different language options to choose from. Under that, you will find some option information, but I highly recommend that you fill it out so that you have a better chance of being accepted. After that, simply check this box and click the Create Profile button. After completing the short registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. All applicants who successfully complete the course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may be placed on a short wait list while they process your registration, but don't worry because it is usually very quick because they still need a lot more transactions. All you have to do now is find some transcribing jobs, start typing and you'll be able to deposit thousands of bucks into your PayPal account. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.